Hey guys, welcome back. So, in this lecture, we are going to visit some interesting websites on the deep dark web. We will be searching some weird topics on the deep dark web using the Excavator browser. So, we know that DuckDuckGo can open .onion links but cannot search the dark web as it is by default searches the surface web, whereas Excavator directly searches the dark web, which gives us the ability to actually surf the dark web. So, let's get started. So guys, here we are on a computer screens. Let me quickly start Tor. And in this lecture, as I told earlier, we are going to use Excavator. Actually, Excavator can be used to, surf the dark web actually. It's kind of secure as it only gives you live links. So none of these links which will be displayed are dead. I'll be giving you actually these links. I'll be giving you the onion link of DuckDuckGo, the hidden two wikis we visited in the previous lecture, and Excavator. So I have prepared a list of topics which are hard to find on the surface web, and clearly display the mythic or the evil side of the dark web. So let's see. The first point on our list would be Hitman. There are plenty of Hitman services offered on the dark web, but there is much risk in them because majority of the services offered here are fake. Yes, are fake, and it's quite better if you don't visit these websites or try to take any of the services because even the FBI could be operating this websites. See, hire a killer for hire, real contract murders. Many of the links giving you hitman services. Let's visit some. Hire a killer, hire a hitman. Okay, it's loading. Let it take time some. It will always take time. All the dark web links will take time always. Hire a killer, hire a hitman. Okay, let me see another links. Hitman list on the dark web, complete reviews. Let's open this one also. So hire a contract killer online. To hire a contract, follow this instruction. To stay anonymous, use VPN. Oh, hire a killer debt recovery. Okay, it also gives debt recovery services. Before contacting us, ensure use a secured email like Proton Mail. Okay, we only accept one mode of payment, which is Bitcoins. Hire a killer. How do you hire a killer or people? So before you can only look at this king of service in the dark web which cannot access with the Tor browser, expect to use the Tor browser. Okay, just articles. Assassination is the best practical solution to solve the personal dispute. All the communication is done through our secure online forms. Our Hetman is a perfect solution for your killing needs. We provide a number of professional assassination services. Okay, how to hire a contract killer? We specialize in providing criminal services worldwide. Our specialization is contract killing and the arms trade. Okay, the main range of services: snipers, highly trained soldiers. Okay, accident services, explosions, or so on, and intimidation actions, knife killing. We accept contract killings with knife to inflict pain to an enemies before sent above. Poison service. This may be fake, guys. Actually, so never trust on this type of websites. Actually, how to hire a contract killers. Okay, why is the services? 99% success rate, 200 plus services order. I was okay. I cannot say this. 45, I need your service to end someone who was made by life a misery. Okay, I want to know this well. Can you tell me? They redo it. Job completed after 7 days of payments. These are I don't think these are also legit replies. These are just the developer had inserted them through HTML by his own. Hitman Services is the most complete Hitman guide on the internet as of 2020. Please bookmark the site before you order any Hitman for hire service. You should prepare Bitcoin to pay after the mark is dead. It is not safe to meet a killer in person to pay with cash as he could be an undercover cop or he could run away with the 50% of cash advance. Okay, if some links are not working, please make sure you're into internet killer. Okay, I think this is just an article which shows the the websites which offer killing services like Hitman Killers. So this is the first link, internet killers average. Okay, second link, Mexican Hitman, price of killer $4,000 to $10,000. Okay, 4 years ago established, reputation good. Okay, Hitman Connect, 15,000, reputation poor. Okay, bad, known scam. Okay, okay, so you see many of the websites listed here are scams. So uh, many websites which provide hitman services are here. Real cases are also there. These are just articles. This is not you can say a hitman service website, but yeah, it has backlinks of many hitman websites. So however, so this is just a case, you know, how this hitman works, and this is just a case study. So hitmans can be hired online are real, and other hitmans are fake. That man in this case were presenting an unexpected news. On short, you will find many articles about police investigating the first dark web murder that they found out about. There were many murders before this one, but the hitmen were smart enough to not get caught. Okay, I think there are also some spelling mistakes, but it's okay. See, these are some small points which through which you can actually identify that a website is legit or not. So yeah, that were Hitman services. We saw actually two websites, yes, but there are many of them. And the next topic would be money laundering, or we can say mixing services. That's actually we can say converting black to white money method. I don't know, I have never tried it, but it is said that your money in the form of bitcoins is transferred to many bitcoin wallets, and after transferring all this money, it comes back to your account from different bitcoin wallets, which washes the money, and that's why it's known as bitcoin cleaning services. Let's see some of these websites. Hi, Helix Light by Grams. I'm just opening random websites. Welcome to SpaceX. Okay, what is Bitcoin mixing services? So you see, you tinted bitcoins, and it gives you white bitcoins or pure bitcoins. In short, we can say that. Transparent display. What do we offer? Just random stuff. Type your session token here. Why choose chip mixer? Uploads can be used instantly. Optimal, probably fair betting. Outputs are faster. Merge small chips, no account. Actually, you have to consider these things before having any Bitcoin transaction or any transaction in the form of cryptocurrencies. That the major defect in the case of cryptocurrencies is that they can't be get back, right? So you cannot like if you make a credit card payment, right, you can actually get that money back because you can case it, right? You can file a case against a person, but in this context you cannot, right? Because it's all anonymous. Let's see. Bitcoin scams. Our next topic would be Bitcoin scams. So these are just bitcoins. No, sorry, these are just websites which say that you can generate bitcoins by just giving some bitcoins. Like you can generate 10 to 20 bitcoins by providing them only one bitcoins. All the services, I repeat, all the services are scams. So don't try to. We are just visiting and showing it to you. So bitcoin generator, bitcoin doubler money generator, bitcoin generator exploit. Okay, bitcoin generator. All features, users online, total paid, total visitors, total today visitors. Okay, so many visitors. Thanks so much, I literally received in my wallet. That works. Okay. Okay, so here we are. Select amount you want to generate. So according to this websites, you just increase this dial, and lol, you made one bitcoin, right? Today's one bitcoin price is $16,000. So by just according to this website, by just dialing this dial, you can get one bitcoin in your account. All these things are fake. Don't fall for it, right? So are you ready to generate Bitcoin? It will ask for your Bitcoin wallet address, and just hack it or do something weird to it. So never give your Bitcoin address to this creepy or uh, where you don't have trust actually. Follow the simple steps. Okay, enter your Bitcoin wallet. Why is this so easy? Worked fine. Anyone from France? Works flawless. Okay, I think all these services which provide Bitcoin mixing services and Bitcoin generating services are 100% scams, right? Follow the simple steps below to claim Bitcoin money. Okay, so received 25 Bitcoins. See, received 80 Bitcoins, received 90 Bitcoins, received 50 Bitcoins. This service is 100% fake. Receive Fitbit 50 Bitcoins. Actually, what is 50 Bitcoins? How much value it will be, right? It's not possible actually. So the next topic which we would be going to explore would be hackers. See, black hat hackers actually on the dark web are in huge quality and quantity actually, because they are always in search of some trait or some person who accidentally leaks their identity or their location on the dark web, and they can some by some means they can hack them or they can get money out of them actually. So darknet hacking zone home, pirate crackers home, many of these links you can hire hackers actually. Hacking guide, but I don't think these are safe. This is safe. Hiring hackers is totally illegal, so don't try it. Hackers group online, hire a hacker professional. Hacking guides, windows, dark web hackers group. I'll just open bunch of links and we'll see. So for beginning and professional hackers, hacking guides, Windows, Linux, Mac, Facebook, Twitter, LAN, Wi-Fi, website, and more. Please enable JavaScript for functionality. I repeat, never, ever allow any type of scripts, may it Java, maybe it JavaScript, to be accessed on your Tor browser. Right? These are very dangerous, very dangerous. They can get direct access to your computers through this thing. So never enable this type of things. It's asking me to enable JavaScript, so I'm not going to do that. And it offers several services. We saw Apple services, Instagram hacking services, Wi-Fi hacking services. See the another website, WhatsApp hacking services, hacking cell. Do you want to know everything your husband, wife, children do on WhatsApp and you don't have access to the device? Just cell phone number, see how to do it and our guarantees. Okay, hacking cell need a monitor or Android. Okay, nothing hacking email accounts, hacking Facebook. Okay, Facebook has a very great security actually. Only the elite hackers can access Facebook. And before there were many controversies regarding Facebook data leaks, but they have made that security at a top level. So it's quite difficult. Hackers that inspire us, meet some hackers who inspired us. Daniel Lofarmo, I don't know who this is, but if this website is showing them, they might be quite famous. So 14.67 to monitoring, 3.627 contacts, 39 point something clients. What is this? Testimonials, services, super fast service, Note 10 I have already. Okay, hackers and partners. They have also partners, meet hackers and advanced technology experts. Latest news, hacking Instagram passwords, Facebook services, hacking email. Okay, let's see hacking Instagram services. Let's see the prices actually offered by them. So enter site USA cookies. Never accept this. Hacking account Instagram. If you forgot your Instagram password, hacked your Instagram, or your husband or wife has an Instagram and you want to know everything he or she does, we have solution for you. Okay. Is the person's password changed? Deposit the amount of Bitcoin at the wallet's address below. So it's the price of hacking Instagram is $0.006. Actually, it's around $60. It says in the bracket. I don't think it's $60, but Who knows? Hacking Facebook services. Let's see. Actually, by mistake, I allowed this website to install cookies on this laptop. But as I told earlier, this laptop is only for accessing the dark web, so it's quite safe because I format it on a monthly basis. Have you been hacked? Do you want to find out your website, computer, or network or be or has been hacked? Social media threats, computing service and surveillance, remove a link, mugshot picture removed, locate missing people. See, this I think is a good hacking services website which provide services which are legit, like locate missing people, background checks, SSN traced, online dating scams. This is a white hat hacker thing. The previous websites we visited, like hacking Facebook and hacking Instagrams, are I think a black hat hackers thing. Cyber extortion, computer security training, tracking, passwords. Did you forget your password? Email cracking, Windows and Apple. Website password cracking, cyber fraud. Have you been scammed? If you need special services, contact us here. Okay, I think that's a link. Professional hackers team 2020. All rights reserved. That's it. Let's see the pricing section actually. Oh, it's okay. Hacking web server, VPS, or hosting, it's like 0.310 bitcoins. Order. Setting up your own botnet. Enter hacking personal computers. It's like 0.222 bitcoins. Web server security audit. Fraud track. Find your scammer. Device tracking. DDoS for big sites. Price can change. Okay, DDoS is quite dangerous for websites as well as PCs, because it's actually a script which destroys your PC or converts your PC files into some weird extensions which can only be undone by the hacker or the attacker. So social media account hacking, 0.0204 bitcoins, spyware creation, intelligent report, locate people, intelligent report, background check, setting up your own botnet. So these are the services Hackers Group Online provides. But I liked it because they also provide legit services, like not legit but nice services, we can say, like find missing people, right, by hacking purposes. So it's kind of good. I actually don't know this is legit or not, but just saying that I liked this website. Let's see bitcoins to USD to compare these prices. So let's see. As you know, but the DuckDuckGo browser only searches the surface web. So searching here anything is literally same like browsing Google Chrome, but more secure, right? So 0.02 bitcoins is like $368. So yeah, so you can hack personal computers with around say $368, or social media any account with $368. Okay, hackers group online, hire a hacker. So we'll be searching another link, another topic on my list, which would be Raptor. Actually, with hidden wikis, there are certain websites which really state which marketplaces actually, like which links which offer some services. Like we visited the hitman services, or several websites which we provide documents, fake documents or something like that, are fake or legit. So Raptor is kind of a famous one which gives information about this scam websites. Also it gives information about legit websites, but what can you trust, right? It's the dark web, you cannot trust anyone, any website here. Corona market, okay. Dark fox market. See, scammers tab, actually this was the special feature of Raptor. Agartha, Big Blue Market, these all are scams. Red ones are scams. Poisland, Onion, fake markets, digital, Dreamalt market, I don't know. Dark business, Ghostbusters, all are scam services. So this websites, you know, Silk Road 4 main. Okay, Silk Road is kind of a very famous actually website. It was legit. I don't know about today's condition, but it was a very famous website which mainly sells drugs, but all services. You know, its developer was recently arrested by the CIA, and like all the fake, or all the famous dark websites, this website was also easily and rapidly again relaunched as Silk Market 2 by some another guy. To access a monopoly market, we enforce strict no JavaScript policy. Assuming you are using latest Tor browser, located in the top right corner, click on the shield, click on advanced security, select the safest security level. So okay, so monopoly website is trying to tell us that we use the safest security level, and visit this website. Let's see. Actually, I prefer going through safer security version, because the safest bans or removes some images and media files actually. The normal version is quite dangerous, but I think safer version is quite good, because it's not too safe and not too vulnerable. Monopoly market. If you are still experiencing issues, please type about config into a URL bar. Accept the risk. Enter JavaScript enabled into the search bar, and then finally double click on the option which should change the value from true or false. Let's just close this one, and I'm back to safer version. So there are many websites like Raptor which provide this kind of services. Let's search stolen data. Stolen data is available all over the dark net. You see stolen credit cards, fake credit cards. See home chop low leaks by cheap credit card info, stolen credit cards, cheap credit card info, stolen credit card, plastic sharks, hidden financial services, pal trek, I don't know what was that, globe 049, chat, join diaspora, most secure, email free, and end-to-end MSG safe. Okay, let's open some of these websites. Hidden financial services. Okay, stolen PayPal accounts for sale. Yes, by cheap credit card info, stolen cards and stolen cards. Okay, let's open this three hidden financial services. See the proofs. Okay, it also provide proofs. We'll see. Clone credit cards, scanned using ATM skimmers. Okay, what are ATM skimmers? Actually, this ATM skimmers are attached to the place where you insert your credit or debit card while accessing the money which you deposited. This scanners actually capture your details from the card, and then these are sold on the dark web. So yeah, both Proton Mail and payment systems are encrypted, so it's impossible email contact. If you have any questions, ask us here. Stolen prepaid cards. I think all kind of cards. Let's see the proofs. Hidden financial services. Okay. 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 These are the proofs. I don't know. This images can also be accessed from the internet, but who knows actually. What can you trust? Nowadays you cannot trust any image also, because editing services are so well developed that you cannot differentiate between the original image and edited image, right? So many images here. Let's visit the home page. Visa prepaid cards, cloned credit cards, skimmers I talked about previously. Let's see the price. So balance 2500 dollars, and its price is only $70, right? This may be fake, and in majority course of you know balance to $500 to 3,500 for $130. Cloned American Express cards working worldwide with PIN and all data. So yeah, stolen prepaid cards, PayPal and Western Union transfers. Get money on your PayPal. Okay, so PayPal, stolen PayPal accounts for sale. See, currently available US 250 to $350 for 0.022 BTC. Okay, I think it was the same. We converted 0.02 BTC. It was around 300 $200. How does it work? Press buy PayPal account button next to the how do I get bitcoins? You can buy them at okay. How can I trust PayPal accounts? Let's see this one. Buy PayPal. I think the prices are actually same 0.02. After confirmation, you'll get your full address on your PayPal account. Pay balance Bitcoin address is also given. Okay, address will be only working for 24 hours. Okay, I'm not going to pay, of course. Welcome to Shop Cards and Stolen Cards by Shop. On our site, you can buy fresh, risk-free Visa prepaid cards, cloned, chipped cards. Okay, you want to sell hacked accounts? Contact us if you sell hacked accounts or dumps on a regular basis. Some photos with our Indian domain address and shop name on the pieces of paper for verification. Okay, a bit about us. Clone Cards is a large group located in Europe, USA since 2015. We are skimming cards. I talked about card skimming. Nothing much. All those websites are, just single page websites, majority of them. Why are you selling cards? Why don't you cash out those cards? About tap. Okay. Just not every single one. That would be definitely too risky. Yes. As said in the about type, giving the money away is just a protection for us by making sure the cards aren't cashing out by only single area by us. It makes us easier. Okay, what is the difference between Visa prepaid, chipped clones and magnetic clones? Just texting things. If you are deep in carding things or anything like that, you can try them. I'm not saying that this are legit ones, but try at your own risk. You are visiting the dark web at your own risk. So do you want to order? Pay. Okay, after payment send the transaction number and shipping address. Notice if you want to order another package, then 1 5 or 10 cards, just email us pricing. Okay, 5 cards $650. Balance per card is like $3,000. Okay, let's that's it for this website. Let's see another topic actually. So many links here. So I'll be searching human products. Yes. um, when I was actually new at the dark web, I was quite fascinated with these things. Some websites even provide human products like wallets made from human skins or anything. You can guess it, right? But again, we don't know all the services are safe or just scams or are being inspected by the government. We just don't know. Some of these illegal websites are even controlled by the government and actually made for catching people who are trying to access this kind of things. So yeah, legit dumps market. Welcome to Apple. Okay, so it's not showing actually any human products website. I have visited several of them, but I cannot see anything here on the excavator. We have some on the hidden wikis if you can find it. Human wiki, let's see. Biological neural network, anonymity, assembly language. What's this? Okay, this is I think another hidden wiki which is not quite famous. Hidden wiki, one of the fake the hidden wiki. Okay, so there are also categories of hidden wiki on this page. Nothing much. This is just an article section. Let's see another links if we can find something related to human products, right? Let me actually previously I have searched about them and I have found purses or anything leather which contains leather. made from human skin. So yeah, actually I have also found articles which tells how to dispose humans, and all that dark side of that. Yes, how to dispose a dead body and things like that after killing it. Of course, it's this articles are only for criminals, right? Not for people like us. Welcome to Pan Media Review. We understand that life can be hard for queer folk in the hostile to human rights, such as the US, UK, Australia, and other major international human right violators. Unfortunately, there seems to be a limit to what we can do. I don't think this is just the home page of a blog website. It seems like that. I don't know. Bluntly, we are here to help our user base to find a different bubble. This resource is a peer run and peer to peer. I'll just close it. It's just article. If you want to read, you can visit or read, or you can always pause the video and read it. Let's see, human skin. I am trying to find that website. It was a simple, very simple one actually. Just a half page, not a full page actually. Just a half page. We cannot scroll it down. Horror killer. Okay, so it's showing horror killer when I search human skin. Okay, let's find another things. Let me search different topics actually. So I'll search cannibalistic forms. I think you all guys know what are cannibals, right? But if you don't know, cannibals are people who eat human flesh, right? So yeah, even if you do some research, you can find that the the murderers, right, which are quite frequent murderers, use this technique to dispose the body of a person by selling their meat on a shop. You cannot actually differentiate between a human meat or any animal's meat. So let me search. I cannot find cannibalistic forms also. I don't know why, but let me search experiments, human experimentations. I'm trying to search that. But let's see, experiments, nothing, nothing. Excavator, I think, filters these things out. I don't know. Human experiments, let's see. I have read articles on this topic. Actually, we also have articles about human experiments on the hidden wikis, but I don't know. Actually, I have only read articles about that. I have actually not any visited any of these websites. Let's see. Japanese lady, what's that? Code Green. I cannot find any. I'm so sorry for that, but I cannot find any of these websites. Okay, so the previous three topics, that were human products, cannibalistic forums, and human experimentation, I cannot find anything on the excavator. But if you can find anything, any links related to that, you are free to paste them in the Discord server, or you can also private message me on the Udemy, right? So there are remaining three topics, I think, which we can talk about, but I cannot show them on the screen, as it breaks the terms and conditions about the instructors of the Udemy. So the first topic would be this animal abuse videos. So yes, you can find animal abuse videos. This is the more darker section, I can say, of the dark web, right? Which are animal abuse videos. You can find cruel people doing this kind of things. Stay away from these things, right? You can also find this on the dark web. Yes, it's very common actually. On the dark web is filled with this kind of thing actually, I can say. If you search camera, the link will say cameras, new cameras, or something like that. But when you click on that link, you will see these things, right, just pop up. So you see, whenever I am opening links in this video, I am very careful before opening these links. I have to actually cut some portion of this video also to prevent this kind of sections. So yes, the dark web is majorly filled with this kind of content. Again, before visiting any website, you have to check it, right? You have to think before visiting any website or doing any action on the dark web, because it's a criminal paradise, right? You cannot just do anything and think that you will be safe, right? And the third point which I'd like to convey is the dark web live website. Yes, there is also a news website. It can be said as a news website on the dark web. The website is again known as dark web live. So there are daily updates. The recent news related to the dark web can be found there, and that's kind of positive, because that's a right way, or you can say that's a good way in which the dark web is represented. All the news related to drugs, scams, or you can say the arrest by police, several websites being closed, everything, each and everything you can find on the dark web live. Actually, it is very accurate, right? And like all news channels or on all news websites, it's frequently updated, so that's great. So yes guys, stay away from the last three topics we discussed, and majority of the content around the stuff. Actually, surfing the dark web is very very dangerous and never advisable. So surf at your own risk, and according to me, prevent surfing it, right? Don't surf it. I know it's kind of interesting, but it's also dangerous, right? So guys, that's it for this lecture. In this lecture, we visited, some interesting websites on the deep web, which makes us scratch our head, like what kind of people are there in the world, right? We visited hitman services, money laundering services, Bitcoin scams, hackers, stolen data, human products, cannibals, animal abuse, dark web live, many of the links, right? In the next lecture, we are going to explore, the cryptocurrency section of the dark web. This course is, I think, more leaned towards cryptocurrency section more than dark web, because cryptocurrencies are a great way. I think it's a future of stock markets, right? So we'll see you there. Thank you very much for viewing this lecture. We'll see you there in the cryptocurrency section. Thank you very much.